Yes, it's filming.
Alrighty. Unboxing.
HTC VIVE.
HTC VIVE.
It's got a carry handle.
Got a carry handle.
It opens
Ooh.
up like this. And then I suppose like this.
Very nice. Cheer.
I like the feng shui of the box. It's got
Box
like
feng
sensors,
shui.
controllers, Vive itself, and it's got this little envelope thing up here. That's very nice.
Box feng shui.
If you're able to keep it all in good nick and keep the plastic bags and shit, I guess you might be able to use this as a carry box, but who's going to do that, am I right?
Yeah. Who is gonna do that?
Well, so let's start pulling this out.
What
What do we got here?
we got?
We've got the one of the Vive sensors. It plugs into a wall somewhere. Power. Well, I know that's one of them Android chargers, and that's like an audio jack thingy. But we'll find out later. I'm sure it's got instructions. It's just a box. Let's put this over here, I suppose.
Cute.
And the other one, I suppose, exactly the same.
Cute.
Nice to see that they've got a wall mount on the bottom as well. So you can screw them onto something like this or like this. Very nice. Now we've got the HTC VIVE controllers. These are very fancy. They're held like this, but it's got buttons on the side. Trigger. This is a touchpad and a directional pad. We've got these two ones as well. It's very fancy. It's like a ice pick or something. I don't know. Very fancy. Got this nice cord. Once you fasten it to your wrist, very important, especially playing Beat Saber. And then I suppose we have the main event. The beast itself. The most budget VR complete experience. The HTC VIVE. I suppose I should pull it out.
HTC VIVE. Woo.
One camera. Big ass freaking cord, unless you want to pay nearly $600 for the wireless, which probably will work, but might not work because you got to plug it into your motherboard with the PCB. It's got the goggles in there. I don't want to remove the glass thing just yet, but it straps onto your head, I guess. Should I demonstrate that or just leave it?
Ooh, yeah. Give us a look.
See if I can do this.
Strap it on. Mega robot man like you see on the movies.
Alright, I'm now in a VR experience. Oh, the graphics so realistic. I'm in a dark room. You don't even need to plug it in for the experience.
Nice. Check it out. Unboxed. This is an unboxed video. Empty and ready to go.